Hey, what's up guys, Sammy C here, and welcome back to another maths problem. If you've been here before, thanks heaps for coming back, and if you're new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll get notified whenever I make a new video. Before we get into any maths guys, you know the drill, roll the intro. This week's problem guys. Marco's class was going to flip out. There are 25 students and 5 adults going. It costs $3 for a child and $5 for an adult. How much will it cost for all of the children and adults to go to flip out? Give it a go guys. Alright, time for a little hint. Now, if you don't know what to do in this problem, you have to work out how much money it costs to take the students to flip out, and then work out how much money it costs to take the adults. So, for the students, we have to write an equation. So the equation we have to write is 25 times 3. And that's going to tell me how much money it costs to take the students. And then I have to work out how much money it costs to take the adults. So I have to work out what 5 adults times $5 is. And that's going to tell me how much it costs to take the parents. And then I have to add the two numbers together, and that's going to tell me the total amount of money it costs to take 25 students and 5 adults to flip out. Hopefully that helps guys. Give it a go. Rightio, time for the full explanation. Now, just like I said in the hint, I want to write an equation, and I want to work out first how much money it costs to take 25 students. So the equation I'm going to write is 25 students times $3. And that's going to tell me how many dollars it costs for 25 students entry into flip out. So my equation is 25 times 3 equals. Now that's quite tricky. I can't really solve that. So the strategy I'm going to use, I'm going to divide up the 25 into easier numbers to work with. So I'm going to split the 25 up into 20 and 5. And I'm going to multiply them both by 3. And then I'm going to add the two numbers together, and it will tell me the total amount of money it costs for all of those students to get in. So 20 times 3. Now, if you can't solve that, what you can do is you can just put your finger over the 0 and block it out. And you can do 2 times 3 equals 6, and then add the 0 back onto the 2 and add a 0 onto the 6. And that will tell you that 20 times 3 equals 60. Now I have to go 5 times 3 equals 15 and add the two together. So 60 plus 15 equals 75. So the total amount of money to take 25 students to flip out is $75. Now I have to work out how much money it costs for the adults to go. Now there's 5 adults, and the entry fee for each adult is $5. So my equation I'm going to write is 5 times 5 equals, and that's going to tell me how much money it costs for 5 adults to go to flip out. So 5 times 5, if I don't know that in my head, I can skip count. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I skip counted. So now I know that it's going to cost $25 for 5 adults to go in to flip out. So now I know how much it costs to take the students, and I know how much it costs to take the adults. But I need to know how much it will cost altogether. So I'm going to add the 75 and the 25. So the equation I'm going to write is $75 plus $25 equals $100. And that's our final solution guys. The total amount of money it's going to cost is $100. Now at the end of this video there'll be a problem that flashes up. Give it a go, and in the comments below let me know what you got and how you solved it. I'd love to hear your answers. Right, that's enough from me guys. If you've been here before, thanks heaps for coming back. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to. See you next time. Cheers.